Hi friends, Namaskar dosto. Welcome back to my cooking vlog once again. Today I am going to share with you a very special recipe, that is the bun dosa, perfect for breakfast. This dosa is not the usual thin and crispy one, but instead it is thick, fluffy and soft just like a bun. That's why it is called the bun dosa. And along with the dosa in goes this special chutney. So you can see how fluffy and soft the bun dosa looks, and just have a look at this special chutney. If you want, you can enjoy it with peanut chutney or even with a bowl of sambar. Now let's start the recipe by adding in a cup of semolina or suji in a mixer jar. Along with, I'll add curd, salt and water, and all the quantities I have mentioned in the caption. Let's grind it into a smooth batter. Add in more water if required. If the batter is too thick, you can add a little water, and just the consistency of the batter should be of pouring consistency. Here I have taken onion, green chilies, curry leaves, 1 inch ginger and chana dal. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Add in half teaspoon asafoetida or hing. Add in cumin seeds, black mustard seeds, and let them splutter. Once the seeds have spluttered, add in green chilies that we have chopped. Add in curry leaves as well, and let the curry leaves also splutter a bit, and add in the chana dal. Saute well until they release a nice aroma, and after that just add in 1 inch ginger. You can just grate in the ginger in, saute for a few seconds more. Once the raw aroma of the ginger goes off, just add in the chopped onions as well. So I am adding here 1 chopped onion, and just saute it well until the onions turn slightly pinkish in color. As you can see, the onions have changed the color, so we are not going to cook them any further, and just switch off the flame and add this into the prepared batter, and just we are going to mix it up all together. And here I would request all my Facebook friends, if you are watching my videos on Facebook, and if you haven't yet followed my page, I would request you to follow my page as soon as possible. And if you are watching my videos on YouTube and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, I would request you to subscribe to the channel, like and share my videos. And if you do not like my videos for any reason or so, you can dislike it too. Here in a pan I have added in vegetable oil, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, asafoetida, curry leaves as well, and this is the preparation going on for chutney. I'm adding here 2 red chilies, some garlic cloves, just throw in some ginger and green chilies as well. Saute them for a few seconds more. Add in 1 chopped onion. These are just roughly chopped onion here I have added, and just saute them for a few seconds more so that the raw smell goes off, and here it is good to go. And 1 tomato needs to be added here for the chutney. And in this chutney I have used chana dal. If you don't prefer chana dal, you can use peanuts as well. So here all the ingredients have been added, and they are just good to go. So I've sauteed for a minute, and now these are ready to go into a mixture jar once they cool down. So as soon as they cool down, transfer all the mixture into a mixer jar and just grind them into a fine paste. And the chutney is so delicious and very spicy. So cool down and grind all together to a chutney. Here I have taken a ladle, and the mixture is all ready to go into the ladle. So I have poured in a little oil, vegetable oil, and just with the help of a spoon add in the batter little by little, and there is no need to spread the. After pouring in the batter, just allow it to cook for a minute or two from one side, and after a minute or two you will notice that the dosa will start to turn golden at the base while remaining fluffy on the surface. Just add in a little bit of oil once again, and just after a minute or two you can flip the dosa and cook the other side for just a minute or two, again on low flame. So you can see how soft, spongy and delicious it looks. Your bun dosa is ready to serve. You can enjoy it hot with coconut chutney, peanut chutney, or even with a bowl of sambar. But here I prepared a special chutney with this bun dosa, which is a very good combination. It also tastes great with jaggery and ghee for those who love a sweet combination. So this bun dosa is a perfect breakfast option, very filling, and especially kids love it too because of its soft bun-like texture. So as you can see, you can just repeat the process and go on preparing this soft, spongy and very delicious bun dosa. And you can also prepare it as an evening snack or even pack it in a lunch box for your kids. So friends, the bun dosa is all ready. So let's serve it. So friends, do try this simple yet tasty bun dosa recipe at home and let me know in the comments how you liked it. If you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy cooking, and always remember that homemade is the best.